Hey there, welcome to LiveChat University. In today's lesson, we're going to be talking about the integrations available in the app marketplace and their benefits. We're also going to be taking a look at the iOS and Android apps for providing support on the go. Let's do this. Let me show you how to get to the marketplace in our LiveChat Agent app. So we open up our LiveChat Agent app, and on the sidebar here, we simply click Marketplace. And there we go. With LiveChat, you have limitless possibilities with personalizing your apps through integrations. Our marketplace offers over 200 integrations that will help you take your customer engagement to the next level. We'll start with our product family, and then I'll talk about leveraging third-party apps. ChatBot. You can integrate LiveChat with ChatBot to help you answer common questions and save your agent's time and attention for more challenging tasks. Chatbots can also handle more support cases and automate repetitive scenarios. If the bot faces a problem it can't solve, it will transfer the chat to an agent. If your customer service team is out of working hours, you can always turn on your chatbot to help you out. HelpDesk. The HelpDesk integration gives you the possibility of turning every chat, email, and message into a convenient ticket. It's very easy to manage all your customer cases from a single dashboard. And we also have KnowledgeBase. With the KnowledgeBase integration, you can boost your team's productivity since your agents will have all the product information at their fingertips, which also saves a lot of scrolling and searching for info in various files. Right. Let's take a look at the other integrations like communication channels, e-commerce platforms, and CRMs. Now, by integrating your customers' communication channels with LiveChat, you can have all your customer messages in one place. Whether it's Instagram for Business, which connects Instagram DMs with LiveChat, or Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp for Business, or Apple Messages for Business, you can receive and respond to all your customers' messages directly from the LiveChat Agent app. It saves you a lot of effort and a lot of time. Another really cool thing are our e-commerce plugins, which allow you to see your customer's cart and information right in the chat. Now, with a plugin like Shopify, you can see your customer's cart right in the chat. It allows you to suggest other products and show you the customer's order history in customer details in the LiveChat Agent app. If you're looking more towards creating leads from chat and seeing all your customers' details in the Agent app, then I suggest trying out the Salesforce or HubSpot integration. You can harness the power of your CRM right in the LiveChat Agent app. Now, these integrations let you see your customers' details in-app so that your communication is tailored for a particular customer. They also enable you to add leads and contacts to your CRM from chats and archives, add chat transcripts to your customer info, and more. Now, there are many CRM options available in the LiveChat marketplace. You'll find them in the sidebar under Apps and Integrations and CRM Connectors. I definitely suggest taking a look at our marketplace and seeing which apps and integrations can help you provide better customer service, ease the process, and strengthen your relationship with your customers. We'll also leave a link in the description with an all-you-need-to-know guide for our marketplace. Let's move on to mobile apps. So the LiveChat mobile app is available on both iOS and Android. Let's go install the LiveChat mobile app. Once you install LiveChat Mobile and log into your LiveChat account, you can decide whether you want to start accepting chats immediately or not. To start accepting chats, go to the More tab in the app and switch on the Accept Chats toggle. The mobile app is quite similar to the LiveChat Agent app. While chatting with your customers, you can also provide support that's fast and precise with the sneak peek feature as well as the canned response feature. Let's take a look at the dock. So we've got archives, chats, traffic, and more. Now, I'm not going to dive into each section since they're quite similar to the LiveChat Agent app, but I do want us to talk about a few things you might want to change up or try out in the mobile app. We all receive a lot of notifications each and every day. Some are ones you skip and other are ones you don't want to skip, like new chat. So while you work on your desktop device, LiveChat notifications aren't pushed to your mobile. When you step away from your desktop, notifications will hit your mobile with just a short delay. You can decide whether or not you get notifications during periods in which you're not accepting chats. To set notifications, go to the More tabs in Apps, go into Notifications and Sounds, and scroll down. Here you'll see Do Not Disturb when I'm not accepting chats, and turn on the toggle. If you ever miss a chat or a message while logged in on your mobile device, it's always a good idea to check if all the intended notifications are enabled and whether notifications are allowed in your mobile device settings. Now, just like in the LiveChat Agent app, you can engage your website visitors and monitor the traffic on your website in real time. In the dock, go to the Traffic tab to view visitors as they browse your website. Click on a visitor to see their details, such as their email address, location, or the pages they visited while browsing. In the Traffic section, you can also start a chat proactively. For example, when the visitor lands on a strategic page, such as checkout. You can even select a number of customers at once and perform a bulk action. For example, start a chat proactively or start supervising all of your agent's chats. Building relationships with your customers on the mobile app is literally one call away, since you can have a quick voice or video call with the customer, which can save you a lot of time. You can use the SnapCall integration where you can offer voice and video calls to your customers right in the chat, without a phone number. We all know that meeting your customers where they are and providing the kind of communication they prefer is important. Personalizing the communication is equally important. In LiveChat Mobile, you can open the Archives tab and find all the chats the customer had with you previously, just like this. Now, there's no scrolling up in the ongoing chat, which is great. Customers really do appreciate being recognized and remembered. If you don't have a photo yet, it's easy to take it right in the app. You go to the More tab, and you can choose an existing picture from your phone's gallery, or you can select an avatar from hundreds of default portraits available in the LiveChat gallery. I'm actually going to choose the other option. I'm going to go and take a photo. There we go, use photo, and now we have a new profile picture for our agent app. And that's all for today. Go check out all the apps and integrations we have in our marketplace. Play around in the mobile app and go set that profile picture. See you soon.